USPAP, Ethics Rule, page 8. Comment. Disclosing the fact that the appraiser has previously appraised the property is permitted, except in the case when the appraiser has agreed with the client to keep the mere occurrence of a prior assignment confidential. If an appraiser has agreed with the client not to disclose that he or she has appraised a property, the appraiser must decline all subsequent assignments that fall within the 3-year period. In assignments in which there is no appraisal or appraisal review report, only the initial disclosure to the client is required. Management. An appraiser must disclose that he or she paid a fee or commission or gave a thing of value in connection with the procurement of an assignment. Comment. The disclosure must appear in the certification and in any transmittal letter in which conclusions are stated. However, disclosure of the amount paid is not required in groups or organizations engaged in appraisal practice. Intra-company payments to employees for business development do not require disclosure. An appraiser must not accept an assignment or have a compensation arrangement for an assignment that is contingent on any of the following. 1. The reporting of a predetermined result, for instance, opinion of value. 2. A direction in assignment results that favors the cause of the client. 3. The amount of a value opinion. 4. The attainment of a stipulated result. For instance, the loan closes or taxes are reduced. Or 5. The occurrence of a subsequent event directly related to the appraiser's opinions and specific to the assignment's purpose. An appraiser must not advertise for or solicit assignments in a manner that is false, misleading, or exaggerated. An appraiser must affix or authorize the use of his or her signature to certify recognition and acceptance of his or her USPAP responsibilities in an appraisal or appraisal review assignment. See Standards Rule 2-3, 4-3, 6-3, 8-3, and 10-3. An appraiser may authorize the use of his or her signature only on an assignment by assignment basis. An appraiser must not affix the signature of another appraiser without his or her consent. Comment. An appraiser must exercise due care to prevent unauthorized use of his or her signature. An appraiser exercising such care is not responsible for unauthorized use of his or her signature. Confidentiality. An appraiser must protect the confidential nature of the appraiser-client relationship. An appraiser must act in good faith when regard to the legitimate interests of the client in the use of confidential information and in communication of assignment results. An appraiser must be aware of and comply with all confidentiality and privacy laws and regulations applicable in an assignment.